Assalomu alaykum. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Come on, we're gonna have an interview.
No, thank
Do you have IELTS? Any certificates?
Yes, I do.
What score do you have in IELTS?
I have 6.
Okay, I'll give you 3 sentences in English, and if you can translate at least 2 of them into Uzbek without major mistakes, I'll give you 100k.
Okay, I'll try.
What score do you have in IELTS?
6.
6. Okay. Bu yoqqa o'tib olaylik, yuzga oftob tushyapti. Birinchisi. Telefonimning zaryadi tugab qoldi, shuning uchun men sizga yoza olmadim.
My phone died. My phone battery died. That's why I couldn't text you.
Perfect. Ikkinchisi. Biz kecha ovqatlangan joy juda yaxshi edi, shuning uchun yana borishni o'ylayapmiz.
The place we ate was really good. That's why I want to go there again.
Okay. Sal o'zgarib ketib qoldik. Bitta qaytarib qarang. Biz kecha ovqatlangan joy juda yaxshi edi, shuning uchun yana borishni o'ylayapmiz.
Kecha nima demoqchimisiz? The place we went yesterday was really good. That's why we are planning to go there again.
Okay, perfect. Rejalashtiramiz bo'lib ketdi. No, perfect. Do you have YouTube or Instagram? Yo Islom deb yozsangiz, bizning kanal kelib chiqadi va o'sha yerda 500 kishini xayolga kelgan gapni ayta oladigan darajaga olib chiqdim deb nomlangan dars bor. Siz gaplashgan qiz mening kursdoshim, lekin u sizni tanimaydi.
The person you talked to was my course mate, but she or he doesn't know you.
Perfect. Tabriklayman. Bu yoqda o'qiysizmi?
Yeah.
Nechinchi kurs?
3-chi. Oy, rahmat.
Rahmat. Roziman. Rahmat. Charchamang. Xo'p.